Dear parents, this is your new parent dashboard, the connection between school and parents. It simplifies communication with the school in all aspects and gives you a quick overview of important information. You'll love it. Let me show you how to use it. First, click on the settings. Select your language and activate the email notification. This way you will receive an email if something new is waiting for you in your parent dashboard. On the home page you get a general overview. At the top you can see when an action is required of you. Just click on the text to get to this page. Find out quickly when your child has forgotten something and needs to do overdue work for the next day. Read messages from the teacher to the whole class or to all parents. Very urgent messages are also displayed as a pop-up. Depending on the settings, homework can always be seen or only when the child was absent. Because the children should learn to keep their own homework diary. Do any school events come up? To support your child's learning, you can see announced assessments. The Tomorrow menu gives you an overview of your child's work and activities for the next day. In the chat, a personal message can be written directly to the teachers. Keep in mind that teachers also have office hours. Please do not share sensitive data. Some messages in gray are from the system to inform you that an action is required in another area. Other messages in white are from the teacher. Let's jump to the Letters menu. On the left side you will find letters from the teacher, which you have not seen yet or which still require an action from you. Sometimes there is a PDF attached that you can download or a link that you can open. Some messages you need to confirm that you have seen them. For other messages you have to choose from several options. On the right side old letters can be read again and attachments can be downloaded. A click on the small arrow opens additional information. Letters are kept for 4 months by default. The Absences menu simplifies absence messages for you. Is your child ill or facing a day of absence? Simply fill out the short form and your teacher will be notified. On the right side all future absences are listed. The green checkmark indicates that the teacher has taken note of the absence. Entries with an exclamation mark have not yet been seen or confirmed. Further down, up to 10 entries from the last month are listed. This could help you find out if your child is abusing the system. Parent meetings and book appointments directly through your parent dashboard. Just choose a date that suits you. Note: some dates can also be booked by other parents. Whoever books first gets the time slot. Other meetings are for all parents in the class and you have to sign up or sign out for them. On the left side all your upcoming meetings are listed. A click on the triangle opens more information. Your teacher may have listed useful websites for you in the Links section. By the way, you can also add your own links here. Only you have access to them. That's all from the parent dashboard. Simple and useful, isn't it? If there are still questions, you will certainly find an answer in the huge knowledge base.